Have you ever felt like you're always chasing your dreams, but never quite reaching them? Have you noticed that some people seem to have a magnet for success, while others remain stuck in the same cycle of frustration and struggle? Now, answer me. Honestly, what if I told you that this has less to do with luck and more to do with the way you think? Yes, what happens in your mind shapes what happens in your life. Today, I'm going to show you how your mindset might be sabotaging your results without you even realizing it. And more importantly, I'll teach you how to reprogram it so you can start attracting opportunities, success, and happiness. Stay with me until the end, because today I'll show you how small adjustments in the way you think can transform your life in ways you never imagined. And what if I told you that, in just a few minutes, you could begin a change that many people spend a lifetime searching for? Now think about this. How many times have you held back from doing something because you felt you weren't ready? The truth is, no one ever feels 100% prepared. The difference between those who succeed and those who stay stuck is action. If you wait for the perfect moment, guess what? It will never come. A positive mindset isn't about ignoring problems. It's about choosing how you respond to them. Every obstacle in your life can be seen in two ways: as an insurmountable barrier, something that stops you from moving forward, or as a challenge that will make you stronger, wiser, and more prepared. The choice is yours. Now let me share something with you. The people who achieve the success you admire are not those who never fail. They are the ones who fail, learn, and keep going. And you know what? That can be you. But for that to happen, you need to change the way you see challenges. So here's another powerful exercise. Every time you face a problem, ask yourself, what can this teach me? How can I grow from this experience? What can I do differently next time? This simple shift in how you approach difficulties can transform your life. And if you're enjoying this content and want to learn more about transforming your mindset and your life, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm always sharing content that will help you grow, evolve, and achieve everything you truly deserve. Now back to our topic.
Another crucial aspect is adapting to failure. We are often conditioned to see failure as a sign of defeat, but in reality, it is a natural part of learning and growth. When we learn to redefine failure as valuable feedback, we completely change the way we approach challenges. Every mistake becomes an opportunity to adjust our strategy, refine our focus, and grow even stronger. Additionally, it is essential to understand the role of rest and recovery. As mentioned earlier, it is impossible to be in action mode all the time without risking burnout. Taking regular breaks is not a sign of weakness, but of wisdom. It is during these moments of rest that the brain processes lessons learned, consolidates memories, and renews energy for the next steps. This balanced approach is especially important in a world that glorifies constant productivity. Many of us are led to believe that being busy all the time is a sign of success. However, in reality, it is the quality of effort, not the quantity, that makes the difference. Have you ever stopped to think about the incredible power your brain has to transform effort into limitless energy? No, this isn't magic. It's pure science. And today, we're revealing how to master your brain's internal reward system to achieve any goal. Ready to unlock your true potential? Let's dive in. We all seek motivation, but few understand that it isn't found at the finish line. It's in the journey itself. This is where one of neuroscience's greatest secrets comes into play: dopamine. If you learn to associate this chemical with the process of effort itself, not just the final outcome, you will tap into an endless source of energy and determination. Now, imagine this. Every small action you take, even those that seem insignificant, can become a meaningful step toward your goals. When you connect dopamine to the simple act of moving in the right direction, no matter how far the destination may seem, you gain the strength to keep going. The problem arises when we believe that positive thinking should only be tied to the final result. It's not about imagining that we've already won the gold medal without doing the work. It's about valuing the training, the attempts, and the mistakes, seeing progress in every effort. That is where the real magic happens.
Because the truth is, no one is going to do this for you. The good news, you already have everything you need within you. And now, I'm going to show you how to unlock it. The power of focus and consistency. Have you ever noticed how some people seem to evolve quickly while others spend years stuck in the same place? The difference isn't luck or talent, it's the ability to stay focused and take consistent action. If you want a positive mindset that actually delivers results, you need to understand that simply thinking positively isn't enough. You must align your thoughts with daily actions. So here's another exercise for you to apply. Every night, before you go to bed, write down 3 small actions you can take the next day to move closer to your goals. They don't have to be big. Simple steps like reading 10 pages of a personal development book, practicing gratitude by writing down 3 good things that happened in your day, reaching out to someone who can help you grow. The secret is consistency. Small steps taken every day lead to massive results over time. And I know what you might be thinking right now, but does this really work? Let me tell you something powerful. What you focus on expands. If you focus on what's going wrong, your mind will only see more problems. But if you start focusing on what could go right, on opportunities, on small daily wins, your energy will shift completely. And when your energy shifts, your actions change. And when your actions change, your results change. Now tell me, are you ready to shift your focus and start this transformation? If so, drop a yes in the comments so I know you're committed to this change. And remember, you have incredible potential within you. You just need to start seeing it. So don't wait another year, another month, not even another day.